So I thought I'd do another tutorial, which is to show you how to save your bookmarks from your normal web browser and then be able to import them when you're in a virtual desktop. So if you've got some bookmarks in Edge, so I've set mine here on the favorites bar. If you go into your favorites, click on settings, from there you can import from another browser, and this allows you to import or export. So when you're exporting them, I would suggest that you put them somewhere central like the H drive, so I keep mine in a backup folder here. And once you saved it to there, you can pick it up from anywhere that you need it. And of course you can then import it in the same way. If you use Internet Explorer and you've got your bookmarks along here, you can click on the star here, drop down this menu, and that's where your import and export options are. So if you want to export them, you select your favorites, just select the top level favorites and that will get all of them, and then browse to your H drive or wherever you're going to put them and save them here. And then when you click on export, it will save them. So if we then go to a virtual desktop, so there's another tutorial about this, but it's xa.ue.ac.uk/staff-mfa. I can log straight in because I already have a 6-digit code earlier today, and then open the staff desktop. So remember, once this logs in, this is a virtual UWE desktop sat within your web browser. So it's going to look a bit strange. You've obviously got two start menus, one here on the actual PC that you're sitting on and one here on the virtual PC. And because it's in a web browser, you can see the web browser URL, you can see that I've got my bookmark folders up here. So when you open a web browser, there are no favorites here. You can move this bar across by clicking on this section with the left and right arrows, and it will pop over to this side. So you click on your favorites, you drop down to the import and export, import from a file, select your favorites, browse to your location, so I've got mine on my H drive, and then click next and import, and then it populates the bar up here with all of your favorites. I did notice when I tried this earlier that once I've done that on an XA desktop login, and then I close it and come back in, it seems to retain those in the web browser, which is quite handy. Whenever you want to close your desktop, you can either go to the start menu and your normal sort of shut down and say disconnect, or you can just hit the little door there to sign out.